Seabreeze. I'm currently downstairs from our building. Yep. And then this is the court, the Eastern Court in Sai Wan. And then this is our home. And I'm going to just relax because it's been a tiring afternoon. I am here now at the ferry station, but actually I'm not going anywhere. I just went down. So here is Chau holiday ferry, and this. So here, the other side is the ferry thing, and then even there's people trying to catch fish, and then there's this small boats where some people living. It's not just only in the Philippines that people are living in the boat, but also here in Hong Kong I can see that there's few who own a boat and decide to live there. Actually this spot is just like something like a park or a walking area, as you can see, something like this. For this side there's a lot of condominiums or a flat, or it's normal, it's a casual place that a lot of families are living. It's a rental flat from the government actually. And then it's just, I guess it's a bit expensive since it's facing to the ocean or the sea. It's a seaside. It's just one road ahead, and it's quite high. Yes, you can see that quite tall high-rise buildings. I am here now standing in this artificial lake or something. It's a park. Actually, it's a park. Ooh. And there's water. It's an artificial lake. Here. Also, people are sitting there. And then, oh, I can even see a boat. As you can see. Whoa, that's pretty. Quite relaxing. It's because it's not so sunny today. You can relax or something here. You can see it because there's also chairs in different shapes. Yep. Even there's flowers. So you can see that, and then you can sit here, relax, and then that's a boat. And then the buildings are here. It's like a park. Just when you go down from the building, and then a residential building, and then you can see these things up. And then the opposite side is in sea or ocean. Maybe it's a sea. Ocean is quite deep. Ooh, very nice. So I think I can go to the boat. Am I allowed? And then there's also staircase upstairs where you can walk. Actually, there's a lot of old people sitting now because it's not too sunny, and its time check is 3:15 in the afternoon. Ooh. And it's not so sunny at all, so I think I'm relaxing sitting here. As you can, there's these small waves that you can see and you can relax because it was being pushed by the wind. Yan, ang ganda tingnan, nakaka-relax. Inhale, exhale. It's a beautiful place. It's a nice place for you to relax if you feel tired and stressful for the whole day. I think it's best way here in this is Aldrich Bay Park. Yeah, something like that. It's just opposite of the ferry thing. Wow. You can see that one, the sound of the waves. There's even a bird. Flowers are there, yellow bells, and then there's all people sitting out there. Wow. It's like an artificial lake inside a park. Those boats, even boats are here. Yep. There's a sign of caution. It's a wet floor. Nice one. Wow, there's a beautiful flowers. Nice. There's a lot of beautiful flowers. Ooh. The color is so alive. The color of hope. Love this yellow thing. Well, there's people even taking picture. So now we are heading to one of the artificial boats. It's really made of wood because below has a crack already. The artificial wood. Wow, it's just so pretty, but I think we can't go in really because it's spoiled. You can just take a picture. Yeah, try to see it. No smoking. No climbing. This is pretty. They're quite, yeah, the other small boat there. They're quite innovative when it comes to design and styles. It's just that it's very amazing that they can make this artificial, like a sea inside a park. It can be called a lake. It's, yeah, very nice. And then imagine that it's a flat, a rented flat. Beautiful flowers. It's like a dragonfly. Oops. There. A lot of fishing boats. There's a lot of fishing boats and even there's people living into it. Like it serves as their home. Yeah. also there is a big yacht in, I think it's in between on the other side, but this part is just more on, as you can see, it's more likely like a area of where small boats parking. So cute. A bit larger boat with a wind trucker or something like analyzer. China and Hong Kong Bank. Hong Kong flag, I mean. Wow, this one is quite pretty. Nice. How does it feel to live there? I think it would be easier for them because all their needs will be just around them, but it's difficult for them if they have it has a storm or a very strong wind. It's because it's very small. It's easy for them for the wind to blow them. Wow. This is not the village, it's just that there's a lot of boats parking on and off. Yeah, and now there's one boat even moving. Yeah, as you can see. And it serves their home. So it's not just only in the Philippines that some people are living inside a boat, but there's also in Hong Kong there's a lot of areas. Yeah, there's even a chair, bags, a kitchen thing, everything you need. Yeah, and then there's this, I think it's a couple are living there.